First opened in 1967, this once functional bowling alley was truly the place to be. Consisting of 7 lanes, a bar and snack area, and even an arcade, this old alley was a local hangout spot after a long day. Dozens of bowling balls, vintage ball bags, and even trophies were left behind. Time continues to eat away at this alley, as everything left behind continues to collect dust and slowly is forgotten about. Please sit back, relax, and join me in transporting back in time. What is going on, guys? This is Urban Explorer 260 back with another insane video today. I am at my second abandoned bowling alley, and today, as you can see behind me, guys, they left everything behind. I mean, arcade games, bowling shoes, bowling balls, everything in the display cases, guys. This is one of the most untouched abandoned bowling alleys I have been in thus far. This is going to be a great video, guys. Let's explore. Now this is the bar area, guys, and look at that. The old Pepsi clock is still up. Today's rates: open bowling, $3 per person, $2 per pair for a pair of shoe rental. So that shows you guys this has been abandoned for a long time, because you can't go to a bowling alley and get anything that cheap anymore. And look, guys, everything is just completely left in the old bar area. All these old stools, all these old seats. You even have an old bowling ball bag, and that's completely vintage, pure leather. And they even have all of like the pros that came here and bowled once. So you can see those lanes over there are these guys in the exact lanes, but all these are like professionals that have bowled here at one time. It goes all the way down. There's a whole line of them. There's even appreciation trophy for bass fishing sponsorship from '04. like I said, there's just so much, like, there's so many of these old vintage bowling bags just left behind. Bowling balls everywhere. Some more of the bags over here. And then we have the lockers. One day, there was literally all these lanes. There was so many happy people just having the time of their life, not stressing about life, just bowling, having snacks, having a great time. Now it's a complete wasteland. Black mold, spider webs, and rodents have made this place their home now. Check that out, guys. That's the old food menu. Pretzel with cheese, mozzarella cheese stick. You even have hot dogs, french fries. You have all these old bowling trophies. Look at that. Really, none of the shoes are left. Like in the last bowling alley video I did, most of them were here, but cash register. Have an air hockey table right here. 2 of the sticks still left. And look, even a pool table with the pool sticks, pool balls, cues, and everything just left. This is an old Atari shooting game. They even have, look, Miss Pac-Man. This is a vintage original Miss Pac-Man machine, guys. Someone would love to have that. Guys, this is where it gets crazy. Everything is literally like a time capsule. This old trash can. Please don't put the baby's diaper in here, thanks. I don't know who would do that, but if you're putting a used baby diaper in a bowling alley trash can, I think there needs to be some reevaluation. Look, the old ATM, it says it's out of order. It's been out of order for years now. Even have the old gumball machines right there, guys. 50 cents. Youth bowling code. Is this like maybe a photo album of all the younger bowlers? Like it, literally you can turn it. Look at all these kids, guys. This is at this exact alley. I think all these kids are way older now. Wow. So I don't know anything about bowling, guys, but this is a ball master. You can change it from plastic colored to black rubber. If anyone knows what this is, please comment down below. I'm not exactly very educated on bowling, so let me know what this is in the comments, guys. Bowlers area, no food or drink, no street shoes, and no smoking. I think I can adhere to that. And check this out, guys. The old computers, ball machines, and monitors up there. And a lot of these monitors are in better condition than the first alley I went to. Like, a lot of the screens aren't busted, but they're JVCs. Those are probably from the 90s, early 2000s. And these ball machines are pretty vintage, good condition though. They are AMF SurePicks. If anyone's ever worked on these or have experience with them, let me know. I just can't believe this, guys. Like, that's the beauty of abandoned. One day, everything is fully functional, and the next time it's just a wasteland, like, poof, gone like that. I mean, look at all these old lanes. So this definitely was a smaller alley, but, you know, it was more of a small town I'm in right now, so. Looks like at the end of this lane, there are some pins set up. Look at that, all these old pins just hanging out together, you know. Who knows what, like, if these pins could talk, you know, like what would they say? What experiences would they share with us? One thing I did notice, the last bowling alley I went to, it was all Brunswick lockers, Brunswick balls, everything was Brunswick brand. This is AMF, however. So if I don't know which one is considered more of the better brand in bowling, AMF or Brunswick, but if anyone knows, like, let me know about down below. I'd love to learn.